Right, just made this guy. Just a little bit of sort of chip carving, really, I suppose you call that. A little wood spirit, green man type of thing, just out of an old branch. So I've just got him soaking there in a bit of Danish oil, just letting that drain off. So I'm going to try a smaller one now, out of this bit of driftwood found the other day. It'll be a much smaller version, but we'll see if we can do it, get a similar effect. But it's quite soft, quite a bit of rot in here. Don't know if the camera can pick that up. It's all quite sort of spongy in there, but gradually worked out of it, so that was okay. It's all coming on. Just got his the sort of lower half to finish, really. Beard, don't know if he's going to come down here or not. See how it goes. So yeah, coming on slowly but surely. So this is about as far as I'm going to go with this guy. The timber isn't that great quality, and there's been a few bits of rotten things, so I've had to be a bit creative just to try and get it finished without wrecking it. But I think it's come out alright, really, for what it is. There you go, and it should just stand up like that. So yeah, I think he's going to be alright. So I'm just going to give him a quick sand just to get some of the grime off from handling it. As you can see, so the colour's reasonable, and then just oil it up, and yeah, that should be him, I think. So there you go, a bit of Danish oil, just give him a quick soak, just let him drain off there now. It's a bit of fun. Recommend it to anyone. Find yourself a stick. Just get carving. This is mate. So yeah.